Hello, everyone, and welcome to Star channel. My name is Kevin Tate. I am the Service and Inventory Manager of the Northeast region with Star Enterprises. To remove the nozzle from the dispense head, you will twist slightly to the left and pull down on the nozzle and then pull down on your diffuser. Place them into a cleaning, sanitizing solution and use a bristle brush to clean up the diffuser and the nozzle, and then place them back into the dispense head. You'll place your nozzle back into the dispense head by pushing up and turning slightly to the right. To remove it, you'll twist slightly to the left and pull down, and then pull your diffuser down. And again, you can clean and sanitize them with a bristle brush and a sanitizing solution, and then place them back into the dispense head. We provide nationwide support backed by experienced service providers across the country. We specialize in beverage equipment repair, professional installations, upgrades, and removals, all while ensuring your water and your filtration systems deliver the best taste every time.